Welcome to the Introduction to EndNote presentation. My name is Amy Penn. In this part, we will see how to start and open your EndNote, and we will become familiar with EndNote's interface, getting a general sense of its main features. After downloading your EndNote program onto your computer and starting the EndNote, you will receive many dialog boxes, one of which is this, called Getting Started with EndNote. For our presentation purposes, we will choose the second option called Create a New Library. After you click on that, it will show a box where you can save your new EndNote library as whatever name you choose. For example, the images to the right over here are the new files that EndNote saved as your library. After saving your new EndNote library, there are two files. One is the data folder and one is the library icon. The data folder above saves your full-text articles associated with this library. If you separate these two files, it becomes a problem because if you go into your library, you cannot click on the full-text article to see it if you've already saved it. Let's get familiar with the EndNote interface. Here's the button for adding a citation manually. For example, if you have the information of a reference you would like to add, you can use this option. Here is the drop-down menu for the formatting style that you want to use for your manuscript. For example, you may be submitting an article to the Lancet and want to use their formatting style. You can find it here and save it for later use. In this case, we don't see the Lancet style here, so we have to select another style. That I will show you how to do later. To the upper left, there are three Endnote modes here, in which you can switch from one mode to the other to facilitate an online search of articles through Endnote. You can search PubMed articles through Endnote and then add them to your library later with the help of these modes. Below are all references with the number of all the references in that library. In this case, we have 4 total references here. Below says imported references. Because we just imported our 4 references from our clipboard, this shows the number 4. Here are unfiled references that are not in a folder yet. Because we haven't created folders just yet for our articles, all 4 articles here are unfiled. Here's the trash can. You can drag articles here to delete them if you'd like. So for example, if I didn't want this article anymore, I can drag it and hover over the trash, and it will be in the trash. As you notice here, it's not been deleted yet because you actually have to empty your trash in order to truly delete this article from your library. Here are my groups. This allows you to organize your folders that you create to organize the references that you've saved onto the library. On the bottom here is Find Full Text, where you can see the status of your full text searches through PubMed. Lastly, here are your Preview Search and PDF and Quick Edit tabs. The Preview tab here gives you the preview of the formatting style you've chosen. For example, we've clicked on the first article above and it shows what the reference would be in your manuscript. This is much too long, as you can see, so we can choose another formatting style, such as the Chicago 16th A over here. We can switch it very easily to another style if we wanted to, the APA. The Search tab here allows you to search quickly key terms and articles of your interest in the online search databases in the left-hand column here. Lastly, the PDF and Quick Edit tab allows you to quickly view a PDF if you have already downloaded it. Right now we have not downloaded any of the PDFs here, so it doesn't show in this tab. It also allows you to change the citation information such as author, year, title, etc. All of these features I will review in detail in the Introduction to EndNote presentation.